How to turn off Snapchat notification. So here is a simple and easy guide on how to turn off your Snapchat notifications on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, go to your home screen and simply tap on the settings app option available there. Once inside the settings, scroll down unless you see notifications option available there, and all you have to do is tap on the notifications. Once inside notifications, scroll down and look for the Snapchat app available there, and all you have to do is tap on it. Now, once you tap on the Snapchat app, you will get to see allow notifications option available at the top. Simply toggle off that switch. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.